Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we are given the equation of a parabola y is equal to negative a times x minus b squared plus c. And you'll notice that we are looking for the vertex in our answer, and this is in the right form of the vertex, right? So if we have an equation, the general equation of a parabola, y is equal to b times x minus h squared plus k. From this, we can see the vertex is hk. And if we look at the parallels here, b is equal to negative a, it's the coefficient in front of this squared term. We have x minus h, x minus b, and then plus k and plus c. So what is our vertex? Well, if in this case it's hk, here it's bc, right? Since we have x minus h, x minus b, it's not negative b since they're both being subtracted. And we have plus k and plus c, neither of them are being subtracted, so they're the same sign, so it's BC is just our vertex. So that eliminates C and D since they have negative BC, which you would maybe pick if you didn't realize that it had to be x minus H, so it's x minus B, so B is the vertex x value, it's not negative B. So it's either A or B. So does this graph open upward or downward? So the way to find that is based off of this value, b. If it's positive, it opens upward. If it's negative, it opens downward. So in our equation, is negative a positive or negative? Well, if you look at this equation, this opens upward. So the positive b, positive coefficient of, what is the coefficient in this equation? Well, if you think of this as x squared as x minus 0, since x is equal to x minus 0 squared plus c, right, then a is the coefficient in this situation. So positive coefficient of a is positive, therefore negative a is negative, right? If a was 4, then negative a would be negative 4, right? That sort of thing. So our vertex is BC, and our coefficient is negative, so it opens downward. And this eliminates A and gives us B is going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.